Welcome, Dr. Kalimuthu, again to Inspiring Minds. Thank you so much
Thank you,
for
bro.
giving
Thank
us the time and opportunity. Uh, in this video, we are actually going to talk about your MCI preparation in the early years and what were your thoughts about the exam and what did you think about it initially? Like, is it something which is impossible or people are just making a hype out of it, or what all thoughts you had initially?
okay. From first year, I want to divide this topic into two parts.
Okay.
From first year to fifth year, actually I thought I can easily crack FMG. I
Okay.
thought actually I don't know nothing about FMG from first to fifth year. Nothing.
Okay.
I don't know the syllabus. I don't know the subjects. How many subjects? Nothing. I don't know anything from first to
Mhm.
fifth year actually. I thought it
Okay.
would be very easy, so I can easily crack because as my seniors know, I think they were. I'm not telling all the seniors. Some seniors they attend only classes. They never study for the classes or not even a single preparation. They just attend classes and get marks. That's it. When they said it's very difficult like that, so I
Mhm.
thought it may be difficult for them. So I can easily crack. I'm not like
Mhm.
a bright student and all. I'm an average student. But I thought
Mhm.
I can easily crack FMG. This is from first year to fifth year. I don't know nothing
Okay.
about. I don't know which coaching institute, internet options, anything. I don't know. Like online
Mhm.
classes.
Mhm.
Then after fifth year, I came for vacation to India. Actually, I went for training in hospital. There I met
So,
a
so
senior.
you did
Yeah, bro.
observership?
Yeah, observership.
Okay.
I used to do observership from third year to fifth year. So every year
Okay.
I'll do, but in that observership also I chose we as FMGs we only have options for private hospitals. So
Mhm.
there also I thought why I want to do observership because of the practical skills that we are lacking in. So even for
Mhm.
FMGs, the problem is we can't do. I think in Tamil Nadu, I don't know about India. In Tamil Nadu, we can't do it in any government hospitals. Only we have options in private. So there also
Okay.
I have a lack in practical skills. But I'll go every 1 month and I observe everything. There also I without practical procedures I can observe.
So, okay, you did observership in the hospitals near your place.
Yeah,
Then what happened after that?
yeah. Then I met my seniors who are doing internship there. So when I
Okay.
one of my senior, he said it take for like 2-3 attempts to clear FMG. Then I
Okay.
he realized that like I said no, like from first year to fifth year I thought it would be easy and I can crack easily. Then
Mhm.
after he said he completed in 2 to 3 attempts. Then I have little afraid of FMG that little bit. Then I started like from first year to fifth year, I studied only the material which was given by the university. I didn't buy
Mhm.
any books from India. I will not use any Indian authors and anything. I just
Mhm.
studied what our university is giving. Then from fifth
Okay.
year, I thought I started asking that senior to like which books we want to study
Okay.
for classes also, for Ukraine classes also, and for FMG also both.
Mhm.
So they suggested, like I asked nearly 5 people, and they
Mhm.
suggested some different books. So I collected
Mhm.
some books, and I took it to Ukraine also.
Mhm.
So in sixth year, I didn't study for exclusively for FMG, but I used that
Mhm.
Indian books for my classes to prepare. Like I prepared in Indian materials for classes,
Mhm. Okay.
even though some topics they won't understand the Ukrainian teachers, but I thought enough. The mark is not important for me, just the conceptual thing. So I used
Okay.
Indian authors for my classes. So it helped
Okay,
me,
so
bro.
so you read from the Indian books, but you actually prepared for the Ukrainian classes as well as MCI,
Classes.
right? You did both of these things
MCI,
together. You
yeah,
did
yeah.
this in 5th year and 6th year, right?
No, I did it in 6th year.
Okay, only in 6th year.
Yeah, only in 6th year.
Okay. Okay, so
Not all the subjects like internal medicine, obstetrics and gynecology, surgery, and pediatrics. These 4 books only I bought. So I
so
used these books for topics.
so what all books you took? Which book you took for internal medicine?
Internal medicine, I used this Deepak Marwa. Deepak Marwa.
Okay, you took the notes
Deepak
of
Marwa.
Deepak Marwa.
Yeah, you know the review books I took.
Yeah. Okay, the medicine and pediatrics review book which he has.
Media, that red color book. Yeah.
Yeah.
It is very simple, so I used
Yeah.
that. Yeah.
Okay, and for the obs gynae?
Ops Gynae, I used the I
Sakshi
forgot
Arora.
her name also. Sakshi Arora, yeah.
Okay,
Sakshi Arora, and for surgery, I used Pritish.
Ritesh Singh. Okay, very
Yeah.
good. So these books you mixed up with the Ukrainian subjects and the classes, and you prepared for
Yeah.
there as well. And sidewise, you actually cleared 4 big subjects.
You're not all the topics. You know, right?
Mhm.
In Ukrainian, we'll have only 1 or 2 topics in one class. So
Yeah.
I used like nearly 50%. I finished these 4 subjects 50%
Okay.
in the books.
So you prepared from the review books. Like you used to initially, if I have to ask you what kind of a student you were till 5th year,
Mhm.
like you used to prepare everything from the Ukrainian material for the classes, right?
Yes, bro.
And if I have to ask you what kind of class marks you used to get, average marks, like in the major subjects.
Okay. In anatomy, I used to get only 3s.
Okay.
I think 3s and 2s, even like 3s only, I think. And
Okay.
some classes I'll get 2, not 4 and 5. Never. I didn't get things.
Okay.
And like remaining anatomy, I'm like average student, bro. Like 3 to 4. Sometimes very rarely I will get 5. That's it.
Okay.
Mostly
Okay.
3 to 4. Yeah.
Okay. And in
And
physiology, histology?
yeah, in histology, like I used to get 4 to 5, 4 and 5.
Okay.
Physiology, like 3 to 4, like that.
Okay.
And microbiology, I used to study nicely, so I'll get 4 to 5, like that.
Okay. Yeah, micro department is very good in our university.
So, university, especially the lecturer ma'am, she came for us.
Yeah.
So
Yeah. Zoya.
Yeah.
Okay. So, okay, these were your, so till 6th year, you read 4 subjects from the books that you took from India in the 6th year, right?
Yeah.
So this was the
Yes,
first
bro.
leg year. So you actually built the foundation before even coming to India.
India, yeah. Actually, like
Okay.
during my 6th year, I think Inspiring Minds organized anat and physiology classes in
Yeah,
BNMU for the first time.
Yeah.
Yeah, I attended anatomy session, like 2-3 sessions, but I can't because I have much classes, so I didn't
Yeah.
attend actually.
Okay.
But
Okay, so
some of my friends who are in 6th year, they attended all the 2 classes, physiology and
Yeah, we actually did 9 to 11 classes we took, and some students come,
Yeah.
but actually what we are trying to do is we are trying to engage more students. But when students start studying there or get into their groups, they don't want to study there. They just have the habit, we will come
Yeah.
back to India and then we will start the preparation here.
No, bro. It's like my advice for my juniors is like you have to start preparing even in first to second year itself. Like in first year, you should complete at least anatomy half part. It is very important actually. You can't finish it within 4 months, right? See, for me, I get only 4.5 months for preparing MCI. So
Okay. So yeah, you
okay,
said like one should start the preparation from first and second year itself.
yeah, I think like preclinical subjects like anat physio, at least anat physio subjects.
Okay. So these subjects are very important for which you don't get enough time if you directly do after sixth year, right?
Yeah, it's true, bro. Like we'll get 4.5 months only. I think for anatomy, I didn't study from first to sixth year. I studied after completing my sixth year only. After coming to India only. Like nearly, I took it. It will take it took me like 6 days, but it's not enough, right? If I started preparing from first year itself, I can. It's just a revision for me. These 4.5 months. So for my
Okay.
juniors, I would suggest start preparing from first, second year itself.
Okay. So very good thing which you have told your juniors as well. So you told about the preparation that you did till sixth year. If I have to ask you about the sources that you used after coming to India, like what all sources helped you and what all
Mhm.
you used?
Okay. After coming to India, I joined in a coaching institute. Actually,
Okay.
uh, like I joined in Delhi.
Mhm.
So I have after joining in the, I have one aim, like one thing, like I don't want to study any other materials other than, because like I thought not to confuse like many materials, many sources, no. So I
Mhm.
just used only those materials only. This materials only I use, and
Okay. So
like yeah, bro.
sorry. Continue.
Yeah, I used only to notes. And
Okay.
these four subjects I said I used pediatrics, internal medicine, and surgery and ops gynae.
Mhm.
These four subjects which I felt it's little bit important. Community medicine as well, but I didn't study in my sixth year. These four
Mhm.
subjects I used to compare it with materials. So I have time
Okay.
to compare it. These four subjects.
So for these notes, did you have your own handwritten notes or you just bought the notes from the market?
No, bro. I just use my handwritten notes only, because
Okay.
if you like many of my friends who bought notes from outside, but
Mhm.
my thing is like it's not good. You have to use your own handwritten notes to study.
Mhm.
Then only you can understand. No, if you write, if you listen the classes and you use your own handwritten notes,
Mhm.
50% of the things you can easily understand. Only 50% you should repeat. That's it. So I used this. I didn't bought any materials,
Okay,
from
just
outside.
four subjects you had the review books, rest everything you used from the notes only.
To know. Yeah. And one
Okay.
thing like I didn't use the FMG solutions by Deepak Marwal. So I didn't use that. But what I felt is like what mistake I did in my preparation. What I felt is I should like I didn't do any. I didn't solve any MCQs. Only I studied only mixed materials.
Okay, for that we will have a separate video in which we will talk about the mistakes that you think you did.
Think
So, okay.
okay, bro.
So you told very well about the resources. The one thing which I clearly understood is to remain constant with your sources. No need to go here and there. Trust the
No.
sources that you are using so that you can concentrate fully on that.
Yes.
Okay, so but what did you do when many students in the last few days they tell, okay, new book is out for surgery, you take surgery sixer, take these notes, last minute revision notes, and so many things. What did you do at that time then?
Yeah. The same thing. Like many of them, I studied in a library last 1 month, where
Mhm.
the students always they will look for other sources other than what they studied actually. In
Okay.
the revision phase also, they used all the other sources, like what you have said, Surgery Sixer, and
Yeah.
many other like one-liners. They used so much other material. And when they saw the new things, and when someone from other institute, they said it's very important, they started studying that material also. So
And
this was a
they leave
huge
their own.
mistake done by own. Yeah, they started studying new materials. Even in last 10 days also, I saw many persons who are using other materials. They said, like, always some students know from other institute or somewhere, they always confuses you with other material. They said, their teacher said that surely it will come in FMG 2019. So they started preparing that sources also. That was a mistake. But I didn't do that. I stick with the materials only. Even I didn't study, I would say, like, I didn't study any other, even one-liners also. I didn't study anything. Just I stick with the materials.
Okay, very good, very good. So about the strategy, we'll talk in our next video. But very clearly, Dr. Kalimuthu has told us he was very constant, and he stuck to the same sources that he had followed from the past 5 months. He did not add anything new, because many people, they tend to run after new sources, new books, new last revision notes. But as long as you keep your resources limited, that will help you more in the exam. So anything you want to add in the end?
No, bro. These are the things I want to say. Like, use the material that you are stick to. Like.
Okay, so thank you very much, Dr. Kalimuthu. So now you guys have to decide what all sources you can use. Thank you again.